The International Criminal Court, human rights groups and victims of Libyan warlord Osama Njeem have expressed outrage at his release by the Italian authorities. A man who says he was abused by Njeem while detained at Matiga prison near Tripoli in 2019 described it as a deep betrayal.
I am a direct victim. I lived a sort of a fleeting feeling of justice when I heard the news that he was stopped in Turin and arrested. I had the feeling that justice finally could come. You have to imagine the waiting since 2019. Those who waited long before me, the Libyans who are victims to his criminal network, to his war crimes, have been wanting this day to come. But when it came, it was immediately extinguished hours before it could even truly be felt in our hearts and so on.
Njeem, also known as al-Masri, is accused by the ICC of war crimes and crimes against humanity in the Matiga prison since 2015. He was detained on Sunday, freed by a Roman court on a technicality on Tuesday, and returned home on an Italian plane.
It's a whole chain of network which exploits, which uses the workforce of migrants. They are using them in different sections. So the influx of refugees from Sudan now has even exacerbated the situation. Many are victims of rape, many are victims of torture, many are victims of enslavement, many are victims of incarceration, arbitrary detention, which is a deliberate act supported by the Italian government with the finances, with the detention systems that you look at. We can mention innumerable places. Nzara, for example, which this guy, Osama J, is also heading, the Nzara detention center, the place which is a concentration camp for thousands of my comrades. This is very evident that no Italian government, no European government, with all whatever the secrecy that they are trying to do, is really aiming to fight the human trafficking hubs. No.
The Italian government is under pressure by opposition parties, human rights activists and the ICC to clarify why the court refused to approve al-Masri's arrest.